Bubble sort. This is not a recursive algorithm. I mean, it could be done recursively, but generally done iteratively. Let's check this out with the same array values. I'm going to run this. Here comes the visualization. So I have the array and I'm about to sort it. Just take a look at what happens. It says for each pass, we'll move left to right, swapping adjacent element as needed. So what we're doing basically is we're going to look at 0 and 1. These are the two indices. Look to see if these two are in the right order. If they're not, we will swap. The idea here is to keep swapping over and over again until it's completely sorted. So 2 and 3 are out of order, so these two need to swap. Just take a look as I walk through this. You can see swapped. Look again, no swapping. See the 3 and the 5, no need to swap because this is in order. So we're looking at it as a subarray, a smaller array of 2, and then we are sorting accordingly. See that swap? Let's look carefully. No swap. Look at that. Swapped. All right, so what happens when you get to the end? You guessed it, run it back. So we're going to keep running it back. See, we go again. And then we found a swap. Get to the end, run it back. So this is a nested loop. I'll show the code in a second. We get there, swap. Only 2 at a time. Once a swap is necessary, the swap takes place. And we keep running this over and over until the entire array is sorted. Let's take a look at the code. Pretty simple. Here's the bubble sort, but also on top, here's the swap. It's done with objects, okay? Right now, we're doing objects that are comparable. This isn't called an interface. This was taken out of the AP exam quite a number of years ago. But nonetheless, we're going to be considering these two objects as objects we can actually compare so that we can create the swap. So the swap is here, and here is the bubble sort. Realize it's a loop, but there's a loop inside of it, nested. So that's why you see when we got to the end, we run it back, right? So we're running this, let's say the length is n, we're running this n times, so it's n times n. This is called an n squared algorithm because for every n, we have a value, so we n times n. So we're gonna go compare, we're gonna see if we need to swap. If we need to swap, we swap, and we keep going until the entire array is sorted. Bubble sort. That's it.